to you.
You tell which one's out of tune?
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Clinton.
Happy birthday to you.
Candles now.
All right. There you go.
Look at there, he did it. Wow.
All
I
right.
tell him which
Clinton's
Did you make a
5.
wish? I hope you made a wish.
Of course I am.
And
Whoosh.
they use the special Make-A-Wish matches. You had to.
Dad, say wish again. Whoosh.
Wish?
Wish.
Whoosh.
Wish.
Wish.
Did Clinton make a wish?
You made a whoosh.
I actually licked the candles.
Whoosh.
It's the best part.
Huh?
You're supposed to lick the candles. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm ready to dig into the cake and ice cream here.
I'm actually surprisingly good.
All right. Well, we need ice cream scooper pooper.
Here you go.
Clinton, how does it feel to be 34?
Pretty good?
Yeah? Were you excited to wake up today?
Yeah. Sure. I didn't wake up.
You know, they say you only live once. But you know what I say? You live once every day, and you only die once.
Unless you're a zombie.
Unless you're Shirley MacLaine.
Unless you're faking your own death.
No, you live every day lots of times, because you live for lots of days, but you only die once.
Just put it now. I'll do all you.
Okay.
That works, that's fine.
Summer tour.
Okay, well, let's dig in here.
Here, you got some.
We've got a variety. What is this? No, Sierra, that's not an ice cream scooper.
It's the
We've got strawberry shortcake, chocolate, carrot cake, German chocolate,
Oh, thanks.
and then
I'm
cupcakes.
not gonna get none. This is interesting to me though, right here. This one. It's like all these other ones they like didn't even try, but this one they were just like, yeah.